Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Approach. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon. Today my topic is housekeeping and 5S. Housekeeping क्या होता है और 5S किसे कहते हैं? तो आइए चलते हैं. Let's start. Housekeeping does not mean only cleanliness. It means much more than only cleanliness. It means cleanliness, tidiness, and much more. Good housekeeping means cleanliness, tidiness, and place for everything and everything in its place. इसका मतलब है कि प्रत्येक वस्तु के लिए एक उचित प्लेस होना चाहिए और प्रत्येक वस्तु अपने स्थान पर होनी चाहिए. Why good housekeeping? Then good housekeeping promotes quality, safety, productivity and clean environment. How does good housekeeping help? Let's we interlink each other. Place for everything, inventory of every item. Why do we need? Get rid of unwanted material, and low inventory means less cost. Therefore, the first step toward good housekeeping will be to identify if there is a place for everything in the department, and if everything is in its place. Are you ready for this exercise? An introduction of 5S. It is a participative program. An introduction of 5S. 5S is a systematic approach to good housekeeping. It means 5S is a systematic approach of good housekeeping. An introduction of 5S. The concept of good housekeeping has been with Japanese for a very long time at home and school. Children are disciplined to adhere to good housekeeping. It was only in the early 1980s that good housekeeping became a pertinent issue in Japanese industries, as companies realized its powerful contribution to productivity and quality improvement. The basic for good housekeeping in Japanese companies is a concept popularly known as 5S. This stands for 5 good housekeeping concept in Japanese. Now we think why 5S is popular in Japan. So workplace become clean and better organized. Shop floor and office operations become safer and easier. Results are visible. Employees are highly motivated. What is 5S? 5S is a Japanese word which all 5S meaning is different. Let's we start about the 5S. Seiri, siton, shiso, siketsu, sitsuke. Let's we start one by. First S is seiri. It means sort out the item and discard the unwanted. इन हिंदी अगर हम बोलें तो इसको छटाई बोल. In seiri, we make a list of all the items in the department. The list should include raw material, we finished product, tools, tackle, dustbin, facilities like chair, table bins, etc. appropriate authority should decide which item can be disposed of and which item need to be kept in the department. Items marked for disposal should be disposed of in a safer manner. Here I shown in this picture before and after and rectangle. So before पहले जो एक ही जगह पर इकट्ठा है और सिस्टमैटिक वे से नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट सिस्टमैटिक वे, एंड आफ्टर देन 5 years it is in systematic manner. Second one is siton. It means place for everything. After disposing unwanted material, provide appropriate place for every item that has to be kept in the department. While providing the place, the ergonomic factors and safety aspects have also to be considered. Place for movement of man and material should also be provided. Place should be distinctly identified and marked. Place for display of instruction, poster, etc. इसका मतलब कि हर वस्तु के लिए उसका एक उचित स्थान निर्धारित किया जाए और वो वस्तु अपने उचित स्थान पर रखी जाए. Here some picture before condition and after 5 years condition. One is siso, cleaning the place thoroughly and keep everything in its place. Clean everything including material, floor, containers, wall, window, etc. If necessary, painting also should be done. While painting, follow color code wherever applicable. Insist of regular cleaning at the end of the work. यहाँ पर विशेषकर हमें जो वस्तु हैं उनकी नियत समय अनुसार साफ सफाई करनी चाहिए. Here sign before and after condition. Now fourth one is siketsu. It means standardization. Maintain high standard of housekeeping at workplace at all times. Ensure that people keep the item at designated place after its use. If possible, design the system such that if something is missing from the place, it is easily highlighted. तो मतलब है कि हर वस्तु का मानकीकरण होना जरूरी है. वो वस्तु कहाँ पे रखी है, उस वस्तु के बारे में उसका नाम क्या है, आदि आदि और भी सारी डिटेल उसकी मानकीकरण होनी चाहिए. There are standardized do and don't. I say this picture here. The fifth and last one is sitsuke. It means train people to follow good housekeeping discipline. Train people in 5 years housekeeping, etc. Lead by example. Maintain discipline in every aspect. इसका मतलब कि हमें स्व अनुशासन उसको रेगुलर बेस में अपने अंदर और अपने साथियों के ट्रेन करके उनको भी इसका पालन करना चाहिए. Here I share some picture with you how they well maintain this plant. You see in this picture here. And role of top management in 5 years implementation: play the role of mentor, initiate the 5 years program, provide resources, appreciate the efforts. मैनेजमेंट का रोल है 5 years इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए. मेंटर का रोल अदा करना है, इनिशिएटिव लेना है 5 years प्रोग्राम करने के लिए, रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कराने हैं और किसी भी काम की सराहना करनी है. रोल ऑफ मिडिल एंड लाइन मैनेजमेंट इन 5 years implementation: play the role of facilitator, take initiative in his area of work, train the people in 5 years and give the feedback. फीडबैक बहुत ज़रूरी है और पीपल लोगों को 5 years के प्रति आपको ट्रेनिंग देनी है. रोल ऑफ एम्प्लॉय इन 5 years implementation: participate actively, give suggestions, respect the opinion of others, be a good team player and maintain discipline. 5 years a way of life. इसको अपनी आदत, हैबिट और डिसिप्लिन तीनों बना देनी है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू.